one of the hottest neighborhoods in Woodstock, which is Croft by David Weekley Home, that is just opened up last month. And today we're gonna tour their flagship model home, which is the Wynstone Floor plan. And I'm here with my boy Sean, and we're gonna go over all the upgrades the builder has done to this particular model. And let's begin this tour coming up right now.
This model home is 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, with a guest bedroom on the main level, a finished basement, and the base price is $797,490. Now, David Weekley is one of the very few builders that will give you an option to finish the basement. So make sure you stick around till the end of this video, because I'm going to go over all the important questions that every buyer has about this neighborhood.
Now, this is a Wynstone floor plan. As you can see, this is elevation A, which is a board and batten design, cement siding with a brick water table at the bottom. Beautiful elevation. Sean, I see you there on the front porch. What do you think about this front porch?
Hey Ivan, this front porch is beautiful. I mean, look at your beautiful wood columns with your recessed lighting. I can just imagine being out here having your top of the morning cup of coffee, you know? Let's go ahead inside and see the upgrades that they've done inside. Just beautiful. All right, as you come in, you have this wide entranceway, beautiful foyer, okay? And as we go to your left, and remember, these are all upgrades, but this would make a great office space, okay? You have your awesome clerestory windows, okay, which allows all of the natural sunlight to come in. You have your beautiful recessed lighting, and you could put some nice French doors on here, and this would make an excellent office space. As we walk in over, so let's come on into the living room. As you'll notice, it's a very open space. Look at the beautiful hardwood floors, okay? And you also have these lovely 25 to 30 foot high ceilings with recessed lighting. Look at the clerestory windows up above as well, which allows lots of natural sunlight to come in. Now, with this shiplap wall, I mean, it looks great, okay? With your little bar area over there, okay? Let's go outside. Let me show you these sliding doors. Watch this. So this opens up to create one open space, okay? Great for entertaining. Come on out. Now you have your deck out here, which is made up of a composite material, which makes it great because you don't have any maintenance. Same thing with the railings here, okay? Beautiful. You have your nice ceiling fans, okay? Which goes out into your beautiful backyard. You could just see yourself sitting out here just entertaining with friends with a little drink and some barbecue. Come out and look at the open space here. You do have a patio downstairs where we will get to in just a minute.
Now, the heart of the home is this gorgeous custom kitchen. Now, right off the bat, I love this massive waterfall island, which will sit nice for. You can see when you have Christmas dinners, everybody gathering around this gorgeous kitchen. You have custom cabinetry, tons of storage space. Now you have 2 colors right here, white and brown. This is a new trend that everybody loves. Plus you have this massive exhaust, which is a standard in a David Weekley home. Now you can have the choice to continue this quartz all the way up, or you can do a combination of backsplash and quartz. 5-burner stove, stainless steel appliances are very standard, but you can also have the option for a nice upgraded stove as well. Now, double ovens is also an upgrade in this particular plan. If you choose, you have the option to choose a double oven, or you have the microwave that goes over the oven if you choose a single oven option. Now come back over here. Now right over here is this grand dining room, which I love, which is surrounded by windows, lots of natural light coming through this home. Now I love this option where you can add another set of custom cabinets. I can totally see a buffet style eating right over here when holidays, when you have family over. And what I love about David Weekley is they have this new feature called the open shelf pantry. You don't see that in a lot of homes. Plus you also have a butler's pantry, an extra set of cabinets where you can also have a sink right over here added as an upgrade. Now followed by this particular room, your A pantry which is currently converted into a wine cellar, which a standard will be just a plain pantry with some shelving inside this door. Now, next to the pantry, it is our mudroom, which is also an upgrade that you can add to this home.
All right, we're going to walk over here to our guest bedroom area. Now, this would be a perfect area Christmas time for a Christmas tree, don't you think, Ivan?
Yes, I think so. That's a great space.
As you come on in, you have your nice pantry, closet for your full bath right here. As you can see, you have your towels around, shower area. Very beautiful. As we come on into this guest bedroom on the main, this could be used for a guest bedroom or an office. You have the nice oversized windows allowing lots of natural sunlight in here as well. Beautiful accent wall. And you could probably get a queen size bed in here as well. It's plenty of space to do that. Let's come over here. You have your customized doors here. And notice the height. These are at least 8-foot doors, okay? With 9-foot ceilings in here. So plenty of space. You have a nice oversized closet here. You get plenty of clothes in there.
Upstairs here, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. We have a Jack and Jill bath. We also have this amazing loft space. So imagine you have young ones in your home that can have a nice little play area, or they have friends over, they can have this nice little living room. You put on a TV, they can hang. This is a nice hangout space. Now, to my right also is bedroom 1 on this level. A great sized bedroom. You have enough room to put a nice small desk. This is a full-size bed. You can also put a queen-size bed in here. Nice walk-in closet. And this is a Jack and Jill bathroom that is connected to bedroom right behind. Now, on this way, now as you walk down this hallway, look at this grand space. I love looking down throughout the entire main level. Now, to my right is bedroom 2. Which again is a very nice size secondary bedroom. All bedrooms are great size, also has a walk-in closet and connection to a bathroom. Nice big windows, brings in tons of natural light. They have done a nice shiplap on this particular wall, a great design to really elevate the look of this room. Now, last but not least is gonna be the primary suite. Now, primary suite, we have a large laundry right next to it, and great space again here, which the builder has given you a linen closet in here, a folding table, and I love these floors. The design is pretty. You can do a lot with this space. Now behind me is the walk-in, a gorgeous, stunning master primary suite. Look at the space right here. Nicely set up. You have plenty of space to put a dresser, have a nice little sitting area in this nook. Again, big, large windows, lots of windows on all sides. Brings in so much natural light. My favorite part is these nice ceilings with this chandelier. It really uplifts the look of this room. You have built-in speakers in this room. Also, this stunning, gorgeous primary bath. Now, there are several different layouts in this particular primary bath. If you want a tub on this particular end, what's standard will be a shower and a tub side by side connected. Then you go a level up where you have a freestanding tub, or else the level up from there will be this grand shower. Tiled all the way up, you have a rainfall shower, nicely tiled, tiles around the bottom as well. You have a bench, and flows into this massive big closet. You have his and her side, you have the custom closet, this is a choice that you will also pick up at the design center for this particular model.
I wanted to talk to you about a few things that are very exclusive to David Weekley Homes. One is that you can get the home built with the basement already finished, which that is very rare. Also, the David Weekley Homes come with you can get an upgrade for the audio system. The speakers to be built in, and it's zoned for each space. So that is awesome. As we walk through this basement, this is a full finished daylight basement. This could be used as an in-law suite or a great entertaining space. Take a look here. You have your beautiful kitchenette with quartz countertops, easy close, cabinetry. You have your nice little wine refrigerator there. Okay, you come over here, you have this very open space. I mean, you could use it for an eating area. Dads could put a pool table here. You have your oversized windows, again, allowing natural sunlight to come on in. And this is an upgrade here, the built-in desk space here. It looks very nice with the built-in cabinetry. Here, you have another open space for living room. It could be a media area. You can sit here and enjoy some great movies. Okay? Let's go here. I was going to go take you to the bedroom, but we're here. Let's go outside to this beautiful patio. Come look at this patio.
Oh, this is a nice flagstone patio.
Yes,
Sean?
flagstone looks very. You have the recessed lighting up here, up top. This is a great idea here with the fire pit. I can see that. Very nice design. As you go out to your backyard here, it is flat. You'll be able to utilize this whole yard. And actually, looking here, you would have enough space if you did want to put a pool in this backyard, for sure. Come on in, we'll take you to the downstairs guest room. As we come in, you will see you have a full bath with a full tile surround shower, nice herringbone design down at the bottom. Okay, you come on in. You have the beautiful guest bedroom here with your oversized windows, allowing natural sunlight in as it's been throughout the whole house. You have beautiful accent wall here. Okay. And once again, you could probably get a queen size bed in here if you chose to. You do have a nice oversized closet. Get some nice clothes in there, and it's already set up.
Now that I've shown you the home, let's spend a little more time getting to know this location. You are within 10 minutes to downtown Woodstock, where you will find an array of restaurants, boutique shops, breweries, galleries that's showing local art, and tons of parks for kids. The amphitheater is the key attraction for local residents and visitors. Now, if you come here on the weekend, this place is absolutely happening. You'll find yourself enjoying live music, even at restaurants, at the amphitheater, and you will love seasonal events that happen here. Now let's go over the most important questions that everyone has about this particular neighborhood. Number one is, what is the base price of this particular model? Now the base price of the Wynstone floor plan is $797,490. Now once you pick out the floor plan, the next step will be to pick out an elevation, which is the exterior look of this home. And with each elevation, there is a premium that comes along with it. After you pick out the floor plan, the elevation, you will then select a lot. Now there are some lots that have no premium, and there are some lots that do have premium based on the desirability of the lot.
Now, once you pick out all 3 of these, you will have your final number. I will tell you that you can build a home in this particular neighborhood for as little as $750,000 and as high as little over $1.2 million. Brings me to number 2. What is the earnest money required to start the process? The earnest money is $30,000 at the time of signing the contract, and then you go to the design center where you will pick out your designs. And once you pick out your designs, whatever amount you spend at the design center is 50% off that amount. Now, people ask me, how big are the lots? The lots sizes are around 1/4 acre, maybe a tad bit bigger, but there are also lots that have 0 premiums, and the most desirable lots, they range anywhere from 15,000 all the way up to 35,000. Then comes our build out time. How long does it take to build a home? Now, with David Weekley in this specific neighborhood, I have seen build out times much less than other neighborhoods in the area. So the build out time from the point you sign the contract is anywhere between 6 to 9 months, which is not bad at all. So if you're thinking about moving to Atlanta or relocating to one of the Atlanta suburbs, such as Woodstock, Georgia, and you are probably in your discovery phase trying to find out where are the best places to live, the best schools, the best neighborhoods, or even the best builders. Maybe you are someone who's looking for a home that faces a right direction based on Vastu or even Feng Shui. We understand all the nuances that goes into finding the right home. My team and I specialize in relocating clients here that are moving from out of state, and we absolutely love it. You'll find all our information in the description below, along with the information about this neighborhood, or you can simply call me or text me at the number on the screen. Days, nights, weekends, it does not matter. If you're moving here, then I got your back. But you have to make the initial effort to reach out. And once we have that conversation and understand your situation, I'm able to help guide you and even pinpoint the exact location and the neighborhood that's best for you. But you gotta make sure that you reach out to us. The number is on the screen, and if you love watching informational videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking right over here. And if you love Toll Brothers, make sure you watch these 2 videos right over here. They are in a similar area and they are equally hot, and I'll see you there.